Samsung has just dropped a new teaser that's turning heads, and it's all about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. While we're still not sure if it'll live up to the Ultra label when it comes to raw specs, one thing is clear. This phone is going to be incredibly thin. In fact, it's shaping up to be the slimmest Galaxy Fold yet, and this teaser is doing exactly what it's meant to: build hype. In earlier glimpses, Samsung hinted at a larger cover screen and a more expansive inner display, but this latest teaser zooms in on the Fold 7's ultra slim design. It doesn't give us numbers or exact measurements, but the message is crystal clear. This is going to be a remarkably thin foldable, and Samsung wants you to notice. Now, even before this teaser, the rumor mill had already been busy. Multiple leaks have been pointing toward the Fold 7 being Samsung's thinnest and lightest foldable phone ever. And considering how the Galaxy S25 Edge pushed the boundaries of slim smartphone design earlier this year, it's not entirely surprising that the Fold 7 would follow in those footsteps. Samsung isn't stopping at just making it thinner, though. In the teaser, they're also calling it their most advanced foldable yet, with promises of enhanced durability. That's a bold claim, especially in a product category where durability has always been a hot topic. Foldable displays, hinge mechanisms, and water resistance. These are areas where consumers demand real innovation, and Samsung seems ready to deliver. But here's the catch. This is still just a teaser. No deep specs, no hands-on footage, and certainly no full reveal. Samsung's keeping most of the juicy details under wraps for now. However, there's buzz in the tech community that the Fold 7 might debut some industry-first features, cutting-edge technology we haven't seen on any foldable before. Whether that means advanced under-display cameras, next-gen hinge tech, or something else entirely remains to be seen. So where does that leave the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Interestingly, Samsung is staying pretty quiet about the clamshell sibling in this round of teasers. And honestly, that silence might be intentional. The Flip series has always been praised for its compact, pocket-friendly design, smaller, thinner, and lighter than many of its competitors. But the Flip 7 is rumored to come with a larger battery, which might make it a bit bulkier than previous generations. In a world where every millimeter matters, a larger battery means added thickness. And that might explain why Samsung is choosing not to put the Flip 7's design in the spotlight just yet. That's not to say it won't be impressive, but it likely won't be breaking any thinness records this time around. Still, it's worth keeping an eye on both devices. Samsung's foldable strategy has matured significantly since the first Fold. What was once considered a futuristic gimmick is now a serious product line with annual updates, loyal users, and real competition. And if Samsung is calling the Fold 7 its most advanced foldable yet, that tells us they're not playing it safe. They're pushing forward, refining the experience, and aiming to stay ahead of brands like Huawei, Honor, and even Google. This teaser is doing exactly what a teaser should. It gives us just enough to stir up excitement, but leaves enough mystery to keep people talking. If Samsung delivers on all these hints, ultra-thin design, larger displays, lightweight build, and new durability enhancements, then the Fold 7 could set a new standard not just for foldables, but for premium smartphones in general. The next few weeks are going to be crucial. More leaks are almost guaranteed, and Samsung's official reveal will likely pull back the curtain on all the features we're dying to know. Until then, all eyes are on what might just be the sleekest, smartest foldable phone Samsung has ever created.